Show Channel.
The Dogman Story. He was everyone's favorite hero in town. His name is Dr. Man. The human body, the dog's head, but the whole heart is good. He worked in the police department, but his work was not ordinary. It is our duty to protect the city. One day I heard a strange noise in the city. The shops opened automatically at night and the goods disappeared. People were afraid. Whose job is this? Everyone spoke. Dogman used his sharp dog's nose. He followed the small scent on the ground. The smell took him to the old barn. And then there are the little cats. They were hungry for food. But people thought they were thieves. The doctor wasn't angry. He sat down and talked to the dogs. It's a mistake to be hungry. But that's not right, he said. The next day Dogman came up with a good solution. A small kitchen was set up for the dogs. People came to help. The cats were happy too. The city was calm again. People praised the doctor. But the doctor said, he is not just a hero. Compassion is the real power. From that day on, Dogman became not only the sentinel of the city, he became everyone's friend. Lesson: with compassion and understanding, there is a good solution to any problem. The real king of the jungle. Many kinds of animals lived happily in a dense green forest. A great lion was the king of the forest. It's very powerful, but at the same time very proud. I am the king of the jungle. No one is bigger than me, he said. One day there was a heavy rain in the forest. Rivers have dried up and trees have withered. All the animals had no access to water. Only the lion did not worry. I am the king, I will get water anyway. There was a small elephant in the forest. It has a good heart that wants to help all animals. If we all try together, water will be available, it said. But the lion laughed. You're a little kid. What are you gonna do? Disgraceful. So the distressed elephant put together small animals like cubs, monkeys, rabbits, deer, parrots. They all began to search in the depths of the forest. After several days of searching, they found a small fountain hidden under a large rock. Small animals together cleaned the place. The water receded slowly. All animals need water. The forest came back to life. And then the lion was hungry. He was looking for water. At last the water came. All the animals were sharing the water. The lion nodded and said, I was proud of my strength and position. But it was your unity that saved the forest. The little elephant answered slowly. It's important to be strong. But a good mind and unity is much more powerful than that. The lion has changed since that day. He began to talk about animals. He did not take any decision on his own but consulted everyone. The forest was quiet and peaceful. Moral: pride makes a man fall. Consistency and unity is the real strength.
The story of the dinosaur. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, lived a huge dinosaur named Dino. It scares others with its power. One day, the little creatures got together to clean up the forest and protect the water bodies. Dino wasn't the only one who helped. A few days ago, there was a severe drought. Little lives were saved together. It was very difficult because Dino was alone. Then he realized it was true. Strength alone is not enough. Unity and service are also important. After that, Dino became a good friend to help everyone. Justice. Unity and hard work will bring success in life. Here's the moral story. A beautiful deer was living in the forest. It was always proud of it because it was so fast. He had a habit of talking to other animals. One day, a hunter came to the forest. When the deer tried to run away, its leg got stuck in the bushes. A nearby rabbit came to help. The rabbit bit the rope and released the deer. The deer realized his mistake. Then he began to walk with humility and respect for all life. Justice. Don't be proud. Humility and help will save lives.
The Great Snake moral story. A great beast lived in the forest. He feared for the lives of others because of his strength. One day, a little
We
rabbit.
mean no harm, but we won't
If
back
you
down.
have the strength, do good and do not harm.
Please,
The
listen to
snake
what I have to
didn't
say.
care. A few days later, there was a fire in the forest. All the survivors ran away. The snake was trapped only by its large body. Then the same small rabbit showed the way and saved the snake. From that day on, the serpent realized his mistake and began to behave well with everyone. Justice lesson. If you have the strength, you have to help. Only then you will. Ghost story. No one goes out after sunset because it's an old house. A family lived in the house. One night, with the lights out, they all mysteriously died. After that, the house was called the haunted house. One day, Ramesh was walking on the road. The air was suddenly cold. There's a sound behind him. He looked back, and there was no one. A light went on in the window of the house. A shadow of a woman. Long hair and no face. Ramesh. His body was swollen. He tried to run, but his legs wouldn't move. The shadow slowly faded away. Her feet didn't touch the ground. Eyes dark. Stay here, she said. The next morning, only Ramesh's sandals were found on the road. At the window of the house, there were now two shadows. Lesson: some places have memories that won't leave us. Santa Claus, Life and Adventures. In a snowy forest, a small child was crying alone. The child was seen by a good-hearted angel of the forest. He took him to safety and raised him among the wild animals living in the forest. That child was the Santa Claus the world later knew. As Santa grew up, his heart was filled with kindness. He noticed the way the trees spoke and felt the suffering of the animals. He wanted to share his happiness with others. So, he learned to make beautiful toys with wooden sticks. It brought a smile to the children's faces. One day, after seeing the world of humans, Santa realized that many children there were suffering from poverty and loneliness. So I decided to give them a gift every year. Good-hearted little elves came to help him. The magic train flying in the snow, the flying deer, all together a wonderful journey began. But Santa's path was not easy. The forces of darkness tried to stop his good deeds. Santa conquered them with courage and love. He taught the world that true joy is in giving. Even today, Santa Claus is the hope of every child. His life is a lesson. If there is love and kindness, the world will be a better place.
Like, subscribe, share, comment, and click bell icon.